Hey, back in here again? It's crazy. We gotta start meeting like this. Look, came home today and my wife's like, hey, maybe you can make me something with bourbon. Like, we could try something different with bourbon. And I was like, there's a lot of stuff I've been trying to get you to try, but I don't bring it up every time I see you. So instead of having an argument, I said, I'm gonna make you a cocktail and I think it'll work well. So, fellas, an easy way to get women to drink spirits that they would normally drink is to simply add like sugar or honey to it and like something citrusy and then mix it up, and before you know it, everybody's having a good time. So tonight I'm gonna make a Gold Rush. Sometimes they call it a bourbon honey, but same concepts. 2 ounces of bourbon and then 1.5 ounces of the syrup and the citrus. We're gonna use a honey syrup. I made a honey syrup before I started this video, and then they didn't have any lemons, so bought this little thing of juice for $8. At any rate, let's get moving. So I'm gonna shake one and stir one because I don't like bruising brown stuff. Take it however you want, and then we get some ice for both of these things, and we're gonna get moving. I do want to prep both glasses first because all the ingredients will be prepared outside of the glass, so I'm going to grab my cubes while I'm here. I did this before we started the video too. Throw some ice. Each glass, and like before, I'm freehanding it, but like I told you, I've been doing this a while, so I'll try this at home. 2 ounces of bourbon for each. And then 3/4 ounce of this lemon juice for each. See that concentration in my face? I mean, I was measuring it. That's how I measure. And then honey syrup, I made this ahead of time. Like I was saying, you can, anything you prep, you keep in your little water bottles. So I also have simple syrup, cranberry juice, ginger syrups and stuff, but let me slow down. Again, 3/4 ounce. Best part of this drink, it doesn't really require a garnish. So now from here, we just mix. Freehand mix this one. This next one's gonna get shaken. Makes it easier for them to drink. And we are off to the races. It's gonna be her first bourbon cocktail with me. We'll see how this works out. And simply stirred for mon frere. The Gold Rush cocktail. Another drink straight out of New York.